distances are congruent. The purpose here is to verify these distances informally. Those are congruent. For example, if we take the distance x1, y1 to xy, we can write equal with d1, let's denote with d1. And the other distance xy to x2, y2, let's denote with d2. And here the diameter of the circle is x1, y1 to x2, y2, let's denote with d. But already know from 0 to x1, y1 is a r, so it's a radius. Also the same thing, from 0 to x to y2 is equal to r, is a radius. And this distance here from 0 to xy is r, so is the radius, so those are equivalent. All these distances are equivalent with each other because all of them are equal with the radius of the circle. So now if we are looking in with respect to the coordinates and x1 and y1, this distance here x1 y x1 to x is the distance is equal with x1 minus x, and we are looking with the y coordinate is equal with y minus y1, y minus y1. And if we are looking in the second triangle, in this triangle here, and if we are looking for the distances in the x coordinates is x2 minus x, x2 minus x, and the y coordinate is y minus y2, y minus y2. Now radius is equal with radius, so reflexive property radius is equal with radius, so radius is equal with itself. And if you look at this radius here, we have a x1 minus x in the terms of the absolute value, because this is distance, we can write x minus x1 is equal with the other radius. Let me write here 1 is equal with the other radius x2 minus x, or x minus x2, x minus x2 in terms of the absolute value we are talking here. And now if you look in here in the other part, y minus y1 is equal with y minus y2, so this distance in this is equal with itself, so reflexive properties, so y minus y1 is equal with y minus y2. And if we are looking here, these two triangles, if we are looking at this two triangle, we see this triangle here, this is a 90 degree, and in the other side is 90 degree. So according to the side angle side, the postulate is equal with side angle side. So it means that these triangles are equal with each other. And because the triangles are congruent with each other, it means the congruent triangle, they have the congruent parts. It means that D1 is equal with D2. So D1 is equal with D2. Because this is a right triangle, and according to the Pythagorean theorem, we already know D1 square is equal with r square plus r square. Plus r square. In other words, if we are writing in the terms of the coordinates, x and y coordinate, we can write this is equal with the x minus x minus x1 square plus y minus y1 square. So we already verified the distances of the triangle. The hypotenuse here is equal with the other hypotenuse, so d1 is equal with d2.